Here's how you can set up pre-rendering for your JavaScript application to improve its SEO in under 5 minutes. So I have this Lovable site. Inside it works with any website. It's really stack agnostic, but for this example, to keep it short, I'll be using a Lovable build site. You can use it with Base44, Replit, GHL AI Studio, custom build site, Vercel deployments, Netlify, CloudFront. It really is stack agnostic. So let me show you how you can do that. I have this website here. It's just single page application. Everything is JavaScript rendered. And essentially what we want to do here is to get it from this right here to this. On the left hand side, there's really no content. There's no actual content. It's just root div. And on the right hand side, as you can see, it's fully rendered semantic HTML that's nice and tidy. And it also has a markdown rendered, which is nice for AI agents. We're going to set this up through DNS. So inside it supports DNS through DNS and then traditional, more like a middleware option. I'll show you what I mean by that. So first, I'm going to copy my domain and paste it in here. I'm going to continue. And then I'm going to click set up pre-rendering, this option. And then here it asks for my project URL. What project URL is a URL that's given by your deployment provider, your website hosting provider. You know, it typically looks something like this: Lovable app, my app.lovable app, or my app.base44 by Preview, Vercel, Netlify. If you're hosting your site on CloudFront, you can set up something like staging.mycustomdomain.com for this use case. So what it is essentially to get to your site to pull its contents. That's not your custom domain essentially. So it needs some kind of URL to pull your pages and render it. So with that out of the way, I have it already here. Since it's a Lovable site, Lovable has this thing called project URL already. So I'm going to copy this, bring that over here, drop it, save it. And it's going to show me to add these DNS records. So I'm going to configure these DNS records. So essentially connect my website's traffic through inside its CDN, right? Inside it runs like a content delivery network for crawlers, essentially. That's powered by Cloudflare Enterprise. So it's battle tested. So it's giving a nice summary here. So I'm going to hit authorize. I'm going to copy and paste this. And in about now, should see the DNS update to reflect it's already done for www, and it's going to check for a record as well. We're going to wait for a little bit for DNS to fully propagate. While this is happening, you can go ahead and configure this one as well. Unset your custom domain as primary in Lovable. If you're hosting this on Base44 Replit, you will see specific instructions for your site. So we're going to go ahead and do that to essentially get rid of this warning. You go to your domains, custom domain, click the 3 dots, unset as primary. Once that's done, we come back here, this connection, and it should be done. Disconnection again. All right. Now, at this point, my website is connected to inside its CDN, which means it will serve pre-rendered HTML to crawlers and bots. So